Morning, Mrs. Eicher's class. Good morning. Today we just finished 1.5 multiplying decimals by powers of 10. Can you multiply decimals by powers of 10?
Yes.
All right. Quickly, the base. When we're talking about a power, the base is what number? Say that again.
The big number.
The exponent is actually the tiny bossy number, right? So this would be an example of a power, yes?
Yes.
The base is the 10. The exponent is the little tiny number, right?
Yes.
You guys already know that the tiny number tells the base how many times to multiply itself, yes?
Yes.
So if the tiny number is 4, how many times is 10 multiplying itself? 1, 2, 3, and 4, yes?
Yes.
All right. The exponent can also tell us how many zeros to add when the base is 10. Audrey and Eicher are up here. So if the base is 10, is the base 10 here?
Yes.
What's the exponent?
4.
So in our answer, how many zeros do we have? How many zeros do we have? 4. If the base is 10 and the exponent is 3, how many zeros do we have if we solve that? 3. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when we're shifting, we're moving from one place to another, right? So a decimal point can shift from one place to another. So can place values.
Yes.
What we mean by that, then, is we have this number. Can someone say that number for me? Can everyone say that number, I mean?
1400.
1400s. Up here, it tells us if you multiply by a power of 10, you don't really need to solve it with the multiplication and like the carrying and all of that other stuff, do you? You can use these tiny little arrows that we call what? So because this is a base of 10, and it has 1 0, how many bunny hops are we going to make to move that decimal? Which direction? Right. I need everyone's eyes up here. Hey, June, you with us here? No, you're not. You need to be up here. Okay, so we're going to bunny hop to the right one spot. So 1400s becomes 1 4/10, right? Okay, now this same number, 1400s, how many zeros are in 100?
2.
How many bunny hops are we going to make?
2.
Which direction?
Right.
So if I bunny hop 2 spots to the right, my decimal point actually goes right there, and my answer is 14, yes?
Yes.
How many zeros are in 1,000?
3.
How many bunny hops are we going to make?
3.
Now, I have a missing number here. What do I put if I have a missing number? A place value holder. And what's a place value holder always going to be?
0.
Different one. This time, we don't actually have the number. We have the power, yes?
Yes.
But we know that if you have a base of 10, the exponent tells us how many zeros there are.
Yeah.
So how many bunny hops should I make if I'm trying to multiply this by 10 to the power of 4?
4.
Say it again.
4.
1, 2, 3, and 4, yes?
Yes.
And these are my 2 place value holders because there was no numbers there. Here's another practice. Which direction are we moving if we are multiplying?
Right.
Say that again.
Right.
Which direction are we moving when we're multiplying?
Right.
It's kind of a big deal, right?